Okay, so let's take the keys out here. I'm going to take my earplugs out. They're well and truly stuck inside my ears. There we are. Oh my god. They're pretty. They're needing of a clean. There we go. Let's go get this other one out. So, put the cap on. Put my earplugs back in my key holder. Stick the key back in the ignition. Now I'm going to remove my combined microphone and earplugs. Earplugs, that one. That's in my pocket here. And I'm going to put these in. Hopefully I can run a wee video. I don't know. So these are, let's have a look. What way goes right and left? Is it even marked? Don't know, just have to guess. So in one here, in one there. Let's hope it makes the transition over. What I'm going to do, I'm going to open my jacket. And then hopefully we can close that and there'll be enough of a lead to take it to the USB-C jack on the phone. Right, I can maybe get that. What I might do is pull enough out here. So I've got the mic here. On the side. Put my helmet on. There we go. There's my helmet on now. So somewhere along here I've got, and again I've got my grid, my 9 grid, whatever. Rule of thirds. I've got a mic hanging here. I wonder if I should bring it a little bit closer. I wonder. Yeah, I'll just leave it there. So now I'm going to put my spectacles on. Okay. And now put my gloves on. Actually, I'll take one of the gloves off. I'm going to mount the bike and reposition the phone so that I can be seen. I'm going to put myself right in the centre there, and let's have a look. Right, the USB-C will not connect. So that has to be completely released from the jacket. So here we go. Put this up. I can hear something coming. Okay, let's put the USB-C in, let's see what happens. Hopefully that has made the switch over, recording audio through the USB-C. It comes up on the screen. Let's see how we go. I'm going to put my gloves on here. Running at 4 minutes now, and I think what we'll do, let's go for a wee run for 5 minutes or so. Put the ignition on. Okay. Right, let's go. And I shall go down. Oh, we've got a bit of a cramp here. Oh, the hips are not good. Oh, and it's really tough on the hips. Oh, my goodness me. Oh, let's try again. Okay, let's go. Both hit the other side now. Very hard on the hips. Okay, let's see. Oh, oh, God, the pain. Oh, 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 oh. This is sore. Oh, oh. Right, let's try again. Oh. Right, where am I? Year one, let's go. Okay. Position this. I don't know how the audio is coming through. We'll maybe get a load up on the USB and on the Apple later on. So here we go. It's getting quite light now. I'm going to drop the helmet. See it's light and everything's improving. I'm on a bend here now. Here we go. And right, there we go. See a car in the distance. Leave it to breathe. There it is. Actually, I'll probably pull over in a wee while. Let's drop the helmet. So, I don't know how that's going. Hopefully that's coming through fine. But here we are, we're going to have to Zone 1. You can keep a little bit ahead of it. Zone 3. Move over to Zone 2. Zone 2 going over to Zone 1. Get another Zone 3. In a wee narrow lane by. So that's a wee exercise in. Okay, so what I want to do now is see if I can change this. How do I get it? I need to know how to. Is it that? Quick shifter display. So I'm now on the settings. I'm looking for display brightness background unit date and time. Is it that one? Can't get it. No. Try again. Okay, riding mode display. So what we do with that? No. That's type 3. That's type 4. Let's have a look at that one, eh? Okay. General, date and time. So we want to do 24 hour, year is 25. Today's date is hour minute. Do we want daylight? I don't think it does daylight saving, so what we're wanting to do now is, let's see what the time is. 14:48. 14:48. Okay, let's do that. I don't think there is any daylight saving. Okay. Yeah, we've got to change the display now. Okay, let's try that. End of, I think, 23 minutes. I'm not going to review that. Okay, time out. Let's go.